Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by reproducing the crash reliably. This gives you a repeatable test case. Once reproduced, gather crash logs, system traces, and a short screen recording so you can see timing. Make sure to confirm app and OS versions, then try quick fixes. Update the app, restart the device, and clear cache to rule out transient issues. These actions narrow the problem space quickly and allow you to move on to deeper debugging with useful artifacts in hand. You now analyze logs and isolate the offending code path by symbolication and stack inspection. Once done, build a development version with verbose logging or assertions to capture runtime state. Toggle feature flags off to isolate new features. Use profiler tools to check memory spikes, CPU usage, and thread contention, and run tests across different devices and OS builds. If the crash appeared recently, bisect commits to locate the change. These steps reveal whether the fault is code, resource exhaustion, or environment-specific. You implement a focused fix that addresses the root cause and add unit or integration tests to prevent regression. Once fixed locally, run the full QA matrix and perform a staged beta rollout, 10 to 20%, to observe real-world behavior. Make sure to monitor crash analytics and logs closely after release, and prepare a rollback plan in case the issue persists. If it still fails, check for race conditions or third-party updates. As a tip, reproduce under instrumentation to catch timing-sensitive bugs that only appear under load.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.